everyone and welcome back to another video.
Today we are learning about how to use dishwashing machine.
And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Follow me on Instagram to check time lapse like this. Or to check photos like this. Now we are going to learn about how to use dishwashing machine. Wait for me inside, guys. I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Whoa, guys, you are waiting for me. Are we gonna wash these dishes now? First of all, turn on the dishwasher, and while it's filling up with water, gather all the trays. First tray is for cups. You can scrub a dirty cup and put it on the tray. Second one is for plates. You can put plates on tray one by one like this, or you can slide small plates like this. Third one is for cutleries. You can grab a bucket of cutlery and dump it on the tray and put it in the machine. Last one is for glasses. Put the glasses on the tray and close the lid and start washing. Step 3. Mix dishwashing liquid with hot water. Step 4. Make 2 buckets of liquid mix, one for scrub and another one for cutlery. Step 5. Fill the tray with dishes and put it in dishwasher. Step 6. Close the lid of dishwasher. Step 7. Pull the tray out. After few practice, you will be able to put plates like this. Keep on practicing. Yeah guys, that was it for today. Hopefully you guys learned something from my video, and I will be making more tutorial video like this, and I will be making more travel blog as well. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and help me to get 1K soon so I can make more videos, and see you guys in next vlog. Bye.